How to fix cannot receive calls in Poco X8 Pro. First of all, restart device. Press and hold volume up and power button same time. Now here you will see two option, power off or reboot. And if you want to restart device, then this icon swipe down. After swipe down this icon, restart device. Now go back. After that, turn off do not disturb. Open setting. Now in settings search do not disturb. Now click on do not disturb and turn off this button. After turning off this button, turn off do not disturb from your phone. Now go back. After that, reset network setting. Open setting. Now in settings, scroll down, click on more connectivity options. Scroll down, click on reset Wi-Fi, mobile network and Bluetooth and click on reset setting. After click on reset setting, this will reset all network setting included Wi-Fi, mobile data, Bluetooth will be reset from your phone. Now go back. After that, reinsert SIM card. After insert SIM card, this is how you can fix cannot receive calls in Poco X8 Pro. I hope so you like this video and thanks for watching this video.